Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today I'm making some pumpkin muffins. This recipe includes organic pumpkin seeds, unsalted butter, milk, AP flour, eggs, almond flour, baking soda, grains of apples, ground cloves, allspice, pumpkin puree, nutmeg, cinnamon, unsweetened applesauce, pure vanilla extract, truvia, and ground ginger. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together 1.5 cups of AP flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's right, I got baking soda. Half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of ground ginger, quarter teaspoon of cloves, and a quarter teaspoon of allspice. Now in a separate bowl, mix together half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, a quarter cup of milk, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and half a cup of truvia or any kind of sweetener you like. After that, pour your wet ingredients into the bowl of dry ingredients and let the flavors dance together. Set that aside and let's make the apple streusel topping by adding half a cup of almond flour, a quarter cup of sweetener, and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, then combine. Once combined, cut in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter using your fingers until the mixture resembles into coarse crumbs. Karate chop your apple into diced cubes and add it into the bowl. Now back to the muffin batter. Grease your muffin tins and add your mixture into each tin, including a sprinkle of the apple streusel topping and a sprinkle of the pumpkin seeds. Bake these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes and then let them cool in the tins for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Estos son muffins de calabaza. Alright guys, the pumpkin muffins are ready. I'm gonna try them now and I won't cap. This is amazing. It's so moist. Has a good texture. I can really taste the cinnamon flavor. As you see right here, this is the apple streusel topping. The apples really give it a nice tart. Since I didn't put any sugar in these, I wasn't really so sure how these would turn out. But these were a-okay. Now, I have no complaints. That's the one thing I gotta tell you. I can really feel the sponginess on here. And I love the fact that I use like the pumpkin seeds too. It really gives it a salt but sweet flavor when it comes to these muffins. That's the best part. In the streusel part, like I used almond flour. It really gives it like a nice crunch a little bit. So it's sweet, salty, and a little crunchy at the same time. And I gotta be honest, I find it so hard to believe that I didn't put any sugar in these. Because they just taste so sweet. It's a good thing because I put the right amount of sugar in these. That's all I gotta say. I love these. These are really good with coffee in the morning or hot cocoa. But yeah, it's a good way to start the fall season. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!